Let's learn about different kinds of shapes. This is a circle. Circle. Example of objects that are circle. Ball, clock, lollipop, plate, globe. They are circles. Square, square. For example, gift, dice, rubric, table, frame. They are squares. Oval, oval. Football, mirror, lemon, egg, avocado. They are ovals. Rectangle, rectangle. Example, table, eraser, ruler, blackboard, door. They are rectangles. Triangle, triangle. Example, party hat, pie, warning sign, tent, hanger. They are triangles. Diamond, diamond. Example, a kite.
Smite.
The Lord bless you and keep you. Numbers 6:24.